Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be insane because we're diving into the top 3 hacks of 2025 to make money online. We're talking life-changing stuff here, people. These are the secrets the gurus don't want you to know, the kind of stuff that can take you from ramen noodles to private jets. You won't want to miss these. Alright, so you've probably heard of Upwork and Fiverr, right? Well, those are so 2023. There are a bunch of brand new platforms popping up that are offering insane rates for freelancers. I'm talking double, triple, even quadruple the pay for the same work you do elsewhere. These new platforms are all about connecting you with high-paying clients who actually value your skills. We're talking tech startups, Fortune 500 companies, even celebrities looking for talented individuals like you. And the best part? These platforms are starving for talent. That means less competition and more opportunities to land those big money gigs. We're talking about becoming your own boss, setting your own hours, and finally having the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. But here's the thing, you gotta act fast. These platforms are growing like crazy, and you don't want to miss out on this gold rush. Later in the video, I'm actually going to reveal one of these secret platforms that I personally use to make some serious side hustle cash. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now let's talk crypto, baby. We all know Bitcoin and Ethereum have already had their time in the sun, but I'm here to tell you that the next wave of crypto millionaires is being made right now. There's a whole new generation of cryptocurrencies emerging, and some of them are poised to absolutely explode in value. We're talking 10 times, 100 times, even 1,000 times returns for early investors. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but I've been doing my research and I've got my eye on a few hidden gems that I think have the potential to change the game. These aren't your typical meme coins either. These are projects with real-world utility, solving real problems, and backed by solid teams. But here's the key, you gotta get in early. The biggest gains in crypto are always made in the early stages. Later in the video, I'm gonna be breaking down my top cryptocurrency picks for 2025. Stay tuned. Chapter 3. The easiest way to make money online in 2025, no experience needed. Alright, this next money-making hack is perfect for anyone who wants to build a sustainable online income stream without needing a ton of experience or technical skills. I'm talking about creating and selling digital products. Think about it. People are always looking for information, entertainment, and solutions to their problems. That's where you come in. You can create ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, music. The possibilities are endless. The best part is, once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional effort. That's the beauty of passive income. And listen, you don't need to be a world-renowned expert to create a successful digital product. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience and package your knowledge or skills in a way that's easy to consume and provides real value. Plus, there are tons of platforms out there that make it super simple to create, market, and sell your digital products to a global audience. And there you have it, folks. The top 3 money-making hacks of 2025. Remember, these are just a few of the many ways to build wealth in the digital age. The most important thing is to take action, stay curious, and never stop learning. The opportunities are out there, but you have to be willing to seize them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video where I'll be revealing even more money-making secrets. See you in the next video.